Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the YBS Trading Company Diamond Electric Knife Sharpener. This is a really nice knife sharpener that I purchased off Amazon. If you guys are interested to purchase the same one, I will leave a link down below in the description. Let's jump right into it. The reason why I got this is I had a knife I purchased from Japan, and it's a very expensive and high quality knife. But it was getting kind of dull, right? So instead of throwing away over a $200 knife, I decided to get myself a knife sharpener. And the reason why I got this one is it has basically all the features you need in a knife sharpener. You have the coarse, medium, fine, and then the polish. A lot of knife sharpeners out there do not have all four of these. They usually have two, the coarse and medium. This has all four, apologies. So it gives you the ability to really polish it out and utilize the knife. This doesn't only work with Japanese style knives, but also ceramic knives, European style knives, and Chinese style knives. So you have a pretty good mixture of which ones. This is the power button right here. When you plug it in, you can just turn it on and kind of go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you guys can hear the noise from it. So it is very quiet. It's not loud at all. I'll go ahead and turn it off. And it's not that heavy. This is the model number right here if you guys like to check it out. Pretty lightweight, not heavy at all. I do recommend placing it on a flat surface if you are sharpening it. Let me go ahead and turn it on and sharpen it right now. So what you want to do is you get the knife and you basically put it in from the top hand corner and you just ease it through. Now you heard it on that one side, so let me go ahead and put it back on this other side right here. And actually, you know what? There might be, let me see something here. There we go. This is the medium right here. Go ahead and do the fine. Do the slippery here, so you gotta make sure that you're on a surface that's not slippery. And this is the last one, the polish. Kind of hard doing this with one hand, but let's go ahead and take a look at the knife edge right here. You can see right there, it did get very sharp. Right on the edge of it, wow. Now I'll probably have to go back through it one more time to hold it steadily without the camera in my hand. But you can see it does sharpen it quite a bit. Oh yeah. It is quite sharp, so it does a phenomenal job at sharpening knives. That's no doubt about it. So again, I'll leave a link down below. Comment down below if you have any questions. Happy to answer them. Press the like button, subscribe. Check you guys out in the next video.